Celery is a healthy low-calorie diet food to give you weight loss benefits. Basic principle of weight loss is eat right and engage yourself in exercise for your body fats to melt so that you become slim and fit again. We will look into details of how celery helps in weight loss. To begin with, celery is a low-calorie food packed with nutrition. 100 grams of celery has only 16 calories. The low-calorie celery with no cholesterol and packed with many other nutrients is an ideal food for weight reduction. Eating celery all alone throughout the day may reduce your weight, but you will not enjoy it. In order to get sustainable best out of celery, you should use it along with other healthy low-calorie food items. Make a diet plan that not only meets your weight loss objectives but also is attractive to your taste buds. Add it to your snacks and meals, or make juice or soups to enjoy its taste and benefit from it. Here are a few suggestions to make a celery diet work for you. Commit yourself and begin your celery diet plan today. Mix 1 cup each of chopped green apples, celery and onions, and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and lemon juice each, and pinch of salt and black pepper. Eat this salad daily. You can change the vegetables and fruits to get a different taste. Keep the celery in every salad. You can also drink celery juice twice daily. Toss a few freshly rinsed and chopped celery stalks into a blender with 500 milliliters water to make a juice. You can add lemon juice and a pinch of salt and pepper for taste. A glass or 2 of celery juice is good enough. Don't overindulge in celery consumption. Excess consumption of celery can cause fluid retention, gout and kidney and many other problems, so limit your consumption. Pregnant ladies should avoid celery as it can cause miscarriage. In addition, do regular exercise, eat a healthy low-calorie diet, and sleep well. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.